Imagine charging your drone, your camera, your phone, and your laptop in the middle of nowhere. Now imagine doing it from something smaller than a lunchbox. Sounds impossible, right? Well, EcoFlow just did it. Their new Trail Series DC power stations have just launched in Europe, and they might be the smartest, smallest, and toughest portable chargers ever made. But here's the twist. One of these mini power stations hides a feature no one saw coming. Let's see why these little boxes are getting so much attention. EcoFlow, the brand known for powerful off-grid solutions, has turned its focus to lightweight adventure tech. They've unveiled 3 new models: the Trail 200 DC, Trail 300 DC, and Trail Plus 300 DC. All 3 are compact, durable, and built to charge up to 4 devices at once, thanks to 2 140-watt USB-C and 2 12-watt USB-A ports. Let's start small. The Trail 200 DC packs a 192-watt-hour LiFePO₄ battery, delivering 220 watts of output. It's barely over 4 pounds, yet strong enough to charge your camera, laptop, or a mini cooler during your next hike. Step up to the Trail 300 DC and you get more muscle: 288 watt-hours, 300 watts, plus a 120-watt car outlet and a 110-watt solar input. You can recharge it anywhere: USB-C, your car, or even the sun. But the real showstopper, that's the Trail Plus 300 DC. Same 288 watt-hour battery, same power output, but with a twist. 6 ports, including 3 140-watt USB-C, companion app support, and even a built-in multifunction camping light. It's not just a power station, it's your smart outdoor hub. And despite all this tech, the design stays sleek. A matte finish, curved handle, and that clean LED display, showing everything from battery percentage to charging time. Plus, each model has IP30 protection and a LiFePO₄ battery rated for long-term reliability, meaning thousands of charge cycles before it slows down. EcoFlow clearly designed these for people who live beyond the wall socket: campers, filmmakers, remote workers, or anyone who hates running out of battery halfway through the adventure. So what's the secret feature everyone's talking about? It's the Trail Plus 300 DC's smart ecosystem. With app control, real-time power tracking, and a built-in camp light, it transforms from a power station into an outdoor command center. And right now, the Trail 200 and 300 DC are available in Europe for £129 and £159 respectively, with a free 65-watt charger if you grab one before October 22nd. Tiny, powerful, and built for adventure. The EcoFlow Trail Series isn't just about keeping your gadgets alive, it's about keeping your story going. If you want to see how these compare to EcoFlow's bigger models, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll show you exactly what these little powerhouses can and can't do in the wild.